Wait. Man, them money ready? YouTube, back in the place. Part 4. Which episode were they? Episode 4, I never remember how we there, you know. But we're there now, back in a May pen. It's our last day in a May pen. We are going after this. We hope to give it a 5 grand. We hope to give it 10 grand. All 15 grand more and give it in our place. People them just need to get it right. Right now we are looking for victim them. 1 TK the back of the camera. Follow him on the Instagram, see it over here. So I eat that over there, so though. I eat that. Follow him on TikTok, see TikTok over here, so. Mad. Watch you know. We start the video now, you know. We jump straight tonight. TK, what you say? You want to try? Aye. Them no want to try. Forward, take a walk with me. Somebody with the brightest girl in my pen right now. Our friend them on iPad up as she had the brightest thing. Why you just introduce yourself and shout out your socials?
Hi, my name is Shan. My TikTok is bodyt_Shan and my Instagram is the same thing.
Boom boom, one boom boom.
One sinner on Insta. Scholars school, man.
My name is Tiny.
Joshua.
Akim.
Sakara.
My name is Lee. Follow me on gram at Lee Muskama.
Why see that underscore JJ on the gram? Search me.
Oh!
Somebody! Oh!
He needs some milk!
My name is Chris Annie.
My name Akim.
We now shout out TikTok or you good?
Not a TikTok.
Kim Turu J.
Jada.
Alright, she don't have no name. Okay. Competing to win $5,000. 3 simple questions. First question. I have cities but no houses. Mountains but no trees. How are you going to say? Alright, new question then. We'll switch it up then. What goes up but never comes down?
Elevator.
And what goes up and never come down?
Elevator.
I would say elevator.
No, get the mix.
What goes up and never comes down?
Edge.
So it takes a long to say it.
Come in, sure enough things go up and come back down.
What goes up and never comes down?
Age. Age.
Age.
Your age.
Age. Your age.
Age?
Age.
You can't sure no? You sure? Alright, one that is. Second question. What disappears as soon as you say it? Words? Words?
Yeah.
So words disappear as you say it?
You say it and it gone.
But we are say it right now and we hear the words them same, right?
You hear it,
But it not disappear.
Words. Hold on.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
Words.
Words?
Mm-hmm.
But we are say words now, it not disappear.
So wait I do.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
What?
What disappears as soon as you say it?
Disappear.
No.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
What disappears as soon as I say it? As soon as I say it disappears.
Yeah.
They say what disappears as soon as I say it?
Yeah.
Words.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
Money.
So explain that to me, baby.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
I don't know that one I got one different one.
Hold on. Yo, stop it.
Oh, sorry.
Stop it, man. Alright, hold on. Come on, man.
What you say, Machi?
You know, say words look well.
Words me here too only say now. What you say?
I may have
Hold on.
like this.
Yeah, words.
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 What you say?
I work with my team.
You work with the team.
Words.
You work with the team.
Words.
What wanted to say team wrong?
No, me not like this. Me not love it.
Make you one more chance.
Yeah.
What disappear as soon as you say it?
What disappears, Susan?
Yeah, as soon as you say it. What you say?
Words.
Words? No, that wrong.
What disappear after
Yeah.
me say it?
Yeah.
Words. No. We don't know that one. Skip that one.
Ah, wait. Let me think about it. As soon as you said this, the word in my mind.
Alright, watch out though. What disappear as soon as you say it?
Yeah.
Dots.
What you say?
Word ear me.
Ear?
You can't say here.
May I go to one more chance?
What disappear as I say?
What disappear as soon as you say it?
Disappear.
Soon as we say
Words.
words.
Words. Positive. That wrong, you know.
Oh, you're wrong.
That wrong, brother. One more
That joke
chance.
thing you did for you, brother.
One more chance.
Alright.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
Brother, the answer in my question though.
Or the question, not the answer.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What disappears as soon as you say it? Alright, last chances.
Say question again.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
As soon as we say it.
Oxygen.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
What disappear as soon as I say it?
Yeah.
The one they oppose me.
Yo. That's a dopey dog.
Idiot, brother, no.
Same as-
What disappears
As
as
soon
soon as you say it?
Yeah, the last chances, you know.
Oh God.
Who don't answer.
Think about it, you know.
You tell me no dog. Come here, now. Give me some intelligence, you know.
As soon as I say it.
Alright.
Yeah.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
Money live, the money live.
It. It.
Don't waste my time.
What disappears as soon as you say it? How time go? How much? 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Here. Up here. That wrong, you know. Silence. What disappears as soon as you say it?
Silence.
The answer is silence. Alright, last question. 3,000, 5,000 up on the line. Watch your style.
So you know you don't have no money.
Emotional, damn it.
If a red man live in a red house and a blue man live in a blue house, who live in the white house?
White man.
White man.
What white man?
White man.
White man. White man.
White man.
White man. White man, dog. White man.
No, you can't say it, so brother, you're an idiot.
If the red man live in a red house, the blue man live in a blue house, who live in a white house?
My white man. Who?
Who?
Listen again. If the red man live in a red house, the blue man live in a blue house, who live in a white house?
I guess it's so easy.
Who only said that?
Alright, the black man living in a White House.
You are something else. You know that? You are something else.
Jesus, God.
What do you mean by that?
If the red man live in a red house, blue man live in a blue house, who live in a white house?
I mean,
You live in a white house.
the White House me live in a brother.
We don't care. Let me tell you. We don't care.
The answer is the president. The president living in the White House.
No, a white man. What is going on? I feel a white man. There's a blue and a blue house, red and a red house. So the white man.
You want to try again? Are the president living in the White House? Them say are the brightest girl. I don't know. I'm not sure. If a red man live in a red house and a blue man live in a blue house, who live in the White House?
Donald Trump, President of America.
If a red man live in the red house and the blue man live in the blue house, who live in the White House?
Red man in a red house, blue man in a blue house, who live in a white house? The president. Me tough dog.
Mad.
Me tough dog.
If the red man live in a red house, blue man live in a blue house, who live in the White House?
In the White House. Jump. Jump.
You laugh, you talk about it right.
Jump.
If the red man live in a red house, blue man live in a blue house, who live in a White House?
The president. Actually that.
Yeah, we come back to it.
No, actually that.
Y'all win.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
so,
one.
pack up your money.
Have a nice day, okay?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Pack up your money.
We just get a winner. 15 grand them gone with. Them broke me. Me a pen broke me. Me now come back and me a pen. Which one we are go next? TK, where we are go next? Paintown? Where we are go? Kingston? Wall. Anyway, you say, bro. Right now, we don't no more money. I walk me for walk go me hard. The three youth them, Jano, Jesus Christ. We never know what to say. Anyways, but that was me a pen. More want to know, like, subscribe, share up the video them. Thanks to all I love for me I receive. Me now come back and me a pen. All about we are go next. So all about look out. Make sure you're ready for win $5,000. Cause me a pen just take 15 grand from me. Three little pitney just take 15 grand from me. Make sure you're ready. Look out.